This is a fantastic 320-acre ranch. The owners are currently stocking 120 pair and there is grass galore. The property features 6 ponds and a lake with a fishing pier. An adorable 960 square foot cabin sits on the south side of the ranch, nestled in huge oak trees, with a view to a nice pond just to the north. The living area is good size to accommodate a large gathering, and a covered front porch affords opportunities to sit and watch the sun rise and set, and the covered back patio provides a shaded space to enjoy watching the cattle in the pasture and looking out over the distance to the far foothills. Landscaping is already in place, and the huge oak trees offer a lot of shade. The large barn provides hay and equipment storage and space to work on the equipment, and there are 4 pastures allowing for rotational grazing. The beautiful lake sits back in the property for a private and secluded setting. This is an excellent area for camping, picnics, fishing, or just relaxing and watching sunsets or enjoying the waterfowl. This property is a productive ranch, but offers so much more. Call today with questions or to view this very special property.